Every university has its own traditions, and since 1977, the Bearcats have had a tradition that amps up the spirit here on campus.
Go Bearcats! We are Rallycats!
Rain or shine, athletes on the field or not, the Rallycats muster insurmountable enthusiasm for their beloved Bearcats at every game.
Rallycats, we pride ourselves on going to all of the games, painting up for games, being loud, and just supporting the Bearcats in everything we do.
In 1976, former Bearcats Alvin Rohr and Andy Smith came up with the idea of the Rallycats. The next year, their idea came to life. From Rallycat cowbells and plastic hats to body paint in a stadium full of matching shirts and extreme fashions, the Rallycats keep this tradition alive and growing.
I like to say that the Rallycats, we bleed red and black. I mean, everything we do just kind of, it supports the athletes, and the athletes love it.
With the Rallycats' open membership, students and even alumni from places all around the world, including Louisiana, Wisconsin, Maryland, and Rhode Island, have united to cheer on their team. The Rallycats continue to excite fans and show the athletes their appreciation and support.